Being a business analyst is like clicking on a link expecting an answer, but instead, you might hit dead ends. Despite the mountain of challenges a business analyst faces, they must stay resilient and keep pushing forward. Business analysts are like superheroes, solving puzzles, mediating, translating, and strategizing all at once. And with great power comes plenty of challenges. Wondering what they are? Welcome to BA Bits, where we make business analysis simple and fun. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's dive in. BAs face constant challenges, unclear needs, clashing stakeholders, and ever-changing scopes. In this video, we'll break down the biggest hurdles BAs encounter and how they tackle them head-on. Ah yes, the classic make it awesome requirement. BAs must ask the right questions and dig deep to turn awesome into something actionable. Unclear requirements are characterized by ambiguity, incomplete information, contradictions, lack of specificity, and stakeholder misalignment, leading to confusion and miscommunication. For our example, the business analyst must gather the stakeholders, ask the right questions, and clarify awesome into something actionable. And there it is, the BA's magic, turning vague ideas into clear, actionable requirements that drive the project forward. The BA's role is to transform vague ideas into clear, actionable requirements by asking the right questions and fostering collaboration. Stakeholders have different priorities, and it's the business analyst's job to be the peacekeeper, ensuring everyone gets what they need, not just what they want. Stakeholder conflicts arise due to unclear requirements, lack of prioritization, inconsistent communication, differing objectives, and frequent changes in requirements. When conflicts arise, a business analyst unites stakeholders, helping prioritize needs and align with organizational goals for a unified approach. Through negotiation, prioritization, and aligning the product roadmap, the business analyst bridges the gap, setting a clear path forward with a solution for all. Now imagine this. With launch just days away, a stakeholder drops the bomb. Can we quickly add an AI chatbot? Shouldn't be too hard, right? Scope creep is the uncontrolled addition of requirements or changes without approval, causing delays, increased costs, and misalignment with project goals. A skilled BA manages expectations by facilitating discussions on feasibility, trade-offs, and priorities, rather than pushing back on new requests. A BA works with stakeholders and the project manager to review change requests, analyze impact, and decide whether to implement now or in the future roadmap. A BA keeps scope in check by aligning stakeholders, managing changes, and communicating impacts to avoid scope creep and stay focused on project goals. Technical limitation is a constraint in tech. It could be legacy systems, poor performance, or integration issues that prevents a solution from working as planned. Imagine a company moving to the cloud, expecting speed and efficiency. Instead, they face slow dashboards, missing data, and frustrated teams. When faced with technical limitations, a BA must assess constraints, explore feasible alternatives, and align stakeholders to drive practical, effective solutions. Unexpected business changes can disrupt even the best projects. BAs must swiftly adjust to new priorities, ensuring progress continues despite the upheaval. Business needs refers to evolving organizational goals and priorities, influenced by market shifts, technology, customer demands, or regulations. A BA's responsibility is to adapt quickly, guide the team, collaborate with stakeholders, ensure clear understanding of new goals, and realign efforts as needed. Miscommunication between business and technical teams can lead to questions and confusions, causing major project delays and rework. Communication gaps stem from unclear terms, misinterpretations, missing context, jargon, differing goals, cultural barriers, and vague requirements. To avoid communication gaps, a BA clarifies terms, asks the right questions, uses visuals, bridges business and tech, and documents for alignment. Time is never on a BA's side, but prioritization and smart planning help make the impossible happen. A tight deadline means less time to complete a project, leaving little room for errors. It pressures everyone, especially BAs, to stay aligned. To handle tight deadlines, a BA should prioritize tasks, communicate early, streamline processes, collaborate, and stay calm under pressure. Bad data leads to bad decisions. BAs often play data wrangler, cleaning up data and making sense of the mess. Data challenges occur when data from various systems or departments is inconsistent, incomplete, or incompatible, impacting analysis and decisions. To tackle data challenges, a BA assesses data quality, collaborates with stakeholders, defines data governance standards, maps data, and cleanses errors for accurate insights. Stakeholders aren't always excited about change. Resistance often arises from a fear of the unknown and discomfort with abandoning familiar routines. Resistance to change occurs when individuals push back against changes to routines, systems, or mindset. It's a natural reaction driven by fear of the unknown. A business analyst must address resistance with clear communication, empathy, and involvement to build trust and ease the transition. A BA overcomes challenges by being adaptable, communicating well, and managing relationships, ensuring projects stay on track and deliver value. Are you ready to tackle these challenges head-on and drive success? It's time for you to shine and make a real impact. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like, and share with friends. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching BA Bits. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.